students. Now topic is that is what is chain isomers? What is chain isomerism? What is chain isomer? Compound having same molecular formula but different structure. Chain isomer means compound having same molecular formula but different structures, and here parent structure should be different, means mother name should be different, that is compulsory. So this is the very most important student chain isomers example. Now take the example that is C4H6, sorry C4H10. Now take the example in C4H10. How many, what is the chain, how many chain isomers are exhibits? Now take the carbons, 4 carbons are there, that is CH3, CH2, then CH2, then CH3. This name is called N-butane. N-butane, that is normal butane. This carbons, everything is balanced. Here 4 carbons are there, 1 2 3 4, hydrogens 10 hydrogens are there. So C4H10, and we can write CH3 CH single bond CH3, then CH3. It is also one more, this is structure 1, it is structure 2. These both are, this name, what is the name of the compound? That is 2-methyl propane. Here this molecular formula will be same but different structures, both are different structure. Here this parent name is called N-butane. In second structure parent name is called propane. So here what I said here, in chain isomers mother name should be different. In chain as a simple trick student, mother name should be different, compulsory, that is mother name should be different, that is called chain isomer, that is that compound exhibits chain isomerism. So here this mother name means what? That is parent carbon, 1 2 3, here 4 carbons are there, that name is called parent carbon. Here in the second structure parent carbons 1 2 3, this is the parent carbon, this is the child carbon. Simply remember, this is parent, this is the child. So parent should be different first compared to this one, first one and second one. If first compound parent name is butane, a second compound parent name is propane, this mother, what I said, in chain isomers mother name should be different. In first compound mother name is butane, in second compound mother name is propane. What about this CH3? This CH3 simple, that is child. This is child, this child name is called methyl. And if we consider the only parent, here parent carbon, this parent chain is butane, in second compound parent chain is the propane. So what I said, in chain isomers, simple trick, you remember mother name should be different. So here first compound is butane mother name, in second compound is mother name is propane. These are the both, these exhibit the chain isomers. And now one more example, I will take one more example, that is C5H12. In C5H12, here how many isomers are there, how many structures? In C5H12 5 carbons are there, that is we can write CH3 CH2 CH2, then CH2, then CH3. This name is called, first this structure 1, this name is called N-pentane. N-pentane. Everything is balanced. Here 5 carbons are there, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 carbons are there, and hydrogens also 12. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 plus 3 12. Everything is balanced. Carbons, hydrogens also balanced. This name is called N-pentane. And now second structure is CH3 CH3, then CH2, then CH3. This name is called here, that is 1 2 3 4. This first carbon, this is first carbon, the second carbon, third carbon, then fourth carbon. This is called CH3, then name is called methyl. So 2-methyl butane. And what about third structure? We can, third structure also possible, that is CH3 then CH3 and CH3. Here 1 2, take the longest chain, 1 2 3. We know IUPAC rules, IUPAC rules, 1 2 3. So that is second carbon having 2 methyl groups are there, that is 2 2 dimethyl propane. Now here student, here 3 structures in C5H12, 3 structures are possible, and each and every compound having same molecular formula and same all structures having same molecular formula, C5H12, and this carbon also 5 carbons and 12 hydrogen, 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are there, hydrogen also same 12, everything is balanced. So here three different structures are there. What I said, in chain isomerism, mother name should be different. That is requirement. Mother name should be different. In first structure is mother name is the parent name. Mother name means parent name is the longest, that is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This parent name is called pentane, N-pentane. In second structure, what is the parent name? That is butane. In third structure, parent name is called propane. Parent name is propane. And first structure is pentane, second structure is butane, third structure is propane. These are the parent structure, parent chain. This first structure parent chain is pentane, second structure parent chain is butane, third structure parent name is propane. Parent chain is propane. So what I said, in chain isomerism, mother name should be different or parent name should be different. That is known as chain. That compound, it exhibits chain isomerism. So these structures are exhibit chain isomerism. Why? Because of these structures names are different. Parent names are different. That is N-pentane, second compound is 2-methylbutane, third compound is 2,2-dimethylpropane. Whatever this methyl, simply remember this is child. This longest chain is the parent. The small group is called children, child only. So this is the here two childs are there, that is called CH3, CH, that name is called methyl group. The second carbon having two methyl groups are there, that name two methyl groups are there. So that is 2,2-dimethylpropane. So that is these are the chain isomer example. C5H12, three structures are exhibited, three structures are possible. So these three structures are belongs to chain isomerism. Chain isomerism means mother name should be different or parent name should be different. In first structure is pentane, N-pentane. In second structure is 2-methylbutane. In third structure is 2,2-dimethylpropane. These are the important simple tricks, student, how to identify the chain isomer, that compound exhibit chain isomerism or not. So simply remember, mother name should be different. I will give one more example, that is C6H14. C6H14, here how many structures are possible? In C6H14, a total 6 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am writing direct only. This name is called N-hexane. N-hexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N-hexane. Another structure is structure 1, and structure 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 2-methylpentane. 2-methylpentane. Now third structure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This name is called 3-methylpentane. Pentane. 3-methylpentane. Now fourth structure is this is the fourth structure, 2,3-dimethyl butane. 2,3-dimethyl butane. Now fifth structure is and 2,3-dimethyl butane. 2,2-dimethyl butane. So here total in C6H14, 4 structures are possible. 4 structures are possible. In structure 1 is N-hexane, and second structure is 2-methylpentane, and third structure also 3-methylpentane, and fourth structure is for 2,3-dimethyl butane, and fifth structure 2,2-dimethyl butane. So in this following structure, how many these following structure, how many chain isomers, how many compounds are chain isomers? So I am saying about that, the chain isomers. So first compound N-hexane, first compound is chain isomers. It exhibits chain isomer. First 1 and 2 are chain isomer. Compound 1, structure 1 and 2 are chain isomers. 1 and 2 chain isomers, and 1 and 4 also. Once again, students, here 1 and 2 also exhibit chain isomerism. Why? Because of this parent name should be different. These both parent names are different. Structure 1 and structure 2. Simply remember, in structure 1 is N-hexane, in structure 2 is 2-methylpentane. 2-methyl pentane, molecular formula both are same, molecular formula will be same, structures are different, means that means mother name should be different. In first structure is N-hexane, second structure is N-pentane, sorry, 2-methyl pentane. These both parent names are different. So these two structures exhibit chain isomerism. And 1 and 4 also, 1 and 4. First structure is 1 and 4 also chain isomerism. Why? Because of first structure is hexane and fourth structure is butane. 1 and 4 also exhibits chain isomerism, and 1 and 5 and 2 and 4 also. 2 and 4 also chain isomers. Second structure is 2-methyl pentane and fourth structure is 2,3 dimethyl butane. Once again students, second structure is 2-methyl pentane and fourth structure is 2,3 dimethyl butane. 2 and 4 exhibits the chain isomerism. These are the very most important student. In second structure is pentane and fourth structure is butane. So here these both mother names are different. So what I said, in chain isomerism mother name should be different. So here in second structure and fourth structure mother names are different, and remaining what about this one, second and 2 and 3, structure 2 and 3, these two are not chain isomers. You remember student, 2 and 3, second structure and third structures, these both are not chain isomers because of these mother names. Which both structures mother name will be same, N-pentane, sorry, 2-methyl pentane and 3-methyl pentane. Here both mother names are same, so that's why these two are not chain isomers. 2 and 3 are not chain isomers. It is very most important student. 2 and 3 are more, 2 and 3, structure 2 and structure 3, these two are not chain isomers. Why? Because of these both structure mother names are same, 2-methyl pentane, 3-methyl pentane, both mother names are same, so that's why these two are not chain isomers. And structure number 3 and 4 and 3 and 4, structure number 3 and 4 both are the chain isomers. Structure number 3, structure number 4, these both are chain isomers. Why? Because of structure number 3 mother name is pentane, structure number 4 mother name is butane, so mother names are different, so that's why these are the exhibit chain isomerism. And structure number 4 and 5, 3 and 4 exhibit chain isomers, and structure number 4 and structure number 5, structure number 4 and structure number 5, these two are not chain isomers. Why? Because of these both parent names are same. In structure number 4, 2,3 dimethyl butane. In structure number 5, 2,2 dimethyl butane. These mother names are, both are mother names are butane, butane is there. So these are not exhibit chain isomers. So structure number 4 and structure number 5, these both are not chain isomers. So simple trick student, how to identify chain isomers means mother name, a compound should contain mother name should be different. So these are the very simple trick students. So if you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you students. Please subscribe my channel. Please don't forget, do the subscribe my channel. Thank you.